So automation tools are everywhere right now, but most of them feel overwhelming. But Notion automations are one of the easiest way for beginners to start automating repetitive work. And you can kind of think of them like little rules that basically say, when this happens, then do this. To create one, you just open a database and then you click on the lightning bolt icon and then click on new automation. Here you choose a trigger, so this is what starts the automation, and then you choose an action, so this is telling Notion what it should do. And that's it. Here are some that I use in my actual life, just for some inspiration. When task contains rec, so record, then label business bucket. When task contains admin, then label admin bucket. The reason I have these set up is that I can use Notion Calendar and then those automations run in the background and are updating in my operating system. But the better your system, the less automations you'll need. If you want to learn about the system that I use, then check out my headquarters tour, or if you want to learn how to use the Notion Calendar app, then check out this video.